breaking necks? Woo. Breaking necks.
And cashing checks.
Damn, that's a new one. I have no checks to cash. Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Welcome back. Is this the fourth day? Fourth day we post in a row? Trying to reach 30,000 subscribers by the end of this year. So if you could be a darling and help us out by hitting that thumbs up and hitting that subscribe button, I'd appreciate it so much. Dude, let's keep it going. We're gonna have to break it this weekend, but we will be back for the whole month of July. I will be trying. We don't try out here. We're gonna do it. We're gonna be posting daily for the month of July, man. For the month. Without further ado, welcome back to new users. My name is BeDistinct. All I do is modify my G35 and have fun out there. With that being said, today we are going to be meeting up with one of the fastest cars ever, and indeed 100% the fastest car I have ever been in. So if you guys don't know, about 2 weeks ago I would say the G35 was the fastest car I've ever driven. After that, Clarity Autoworks somehow gave me the keys to the Jaguar, and that became the fastest thing I have ever driven. Such an absolute beast. And then we went on a Tuned Q60, absolutely super fast. And today is the third episode of that series, and we will be joining Jeff and his Tuned GTR, making I think 700 horsepower if I'm not mistaken. An absolute beast on the road. He has a YouTube channel as well. His name's Burnt Rubber. Go ahead, check him out. We're gonna go ahead and meet up with him, and man, I can't wait. So without further ado, let's go ahead, hop in the G35, meet up with GODZILLA once again. Hello?
Hello?
Yeah.
What's up?
What's up?
Yeah.
Yeah, I need to put gas, bro.
Alright, you wanna meet at, I don't know, tell me a gas station.
Arco?
Where at? Which Arco?
Shell?
No, which one? Which one?
Which one do you want? Shell?
The one on McDonald's? Or is that a Chevron?
Chevron.
You close to McDonald's?
Shell.
Shell? Alright. Yes.
Walmart?
Yeah. Let's go.
Alright, sounds good. I'll be there. Alright. These freaking startups are now the official saddest thing in America right now. Oh my. And also, if you haven't noticed, your boy got a haircut. Can we get a thumbs up just for this freaking sick haircut, bro? So we at the gas station. We got GODZILLA over there in the darkness, and then we got us over here, man. Let's see how much gas we're putting at today. $4.69. $4.70, damn near. Only gonna put half a tank, bro. That's what we do, half a tank. If we put more than half a tank, the car just gets super heavy and you're wasting more gas than how you just put halfway. Trust me, bro. Total of $35. We got 7.5 gallons. Let's go. We're ready.
Yeah, watch it. It's go. I'm gonna do it exactly at 20. Watch.
What?
Watch. I'll just stop it and it'll just.
You'll stop it at 20?
Yeah, watch. Exactly, bro. Boom.
No, wait, what? Half a tank full of gas. We're ready. Let's go ahead and meet the GTR, man. If you haven't followed me, bro, come on, man. What you doing, man? Did I tell you guys that for the whole month of July, we're gonna be daily posting? Did I tell you guys? Hopefully I don't look back to this video and be like, yeah, I know I said that. Me driving to film a video on a weekday, bro, is the best dream ever, dude. Honestly, guys, I love filming, so just these kind of events, bro, just getting up every day to go film, bro, honestly, it would be a dream job, man. All right, y'all, we just came to the destination. We got the Jeep parked next to the Jenny. Check that out, pretty sick. But we're here, can you see that? Can you see that sign, bro? Base Pro Shops Outdoor World. So we're just stationed here for now, and then he should be coming very soon in a midnight green. Is it midnight green? The purple does sparkle right here.
Hold on, let me put on my.
Hey, red, purple, green, bro. We're about to collect the midnight series right here. You know, Folsom Cars and Coffee?
Yeah.
So like back then I wanted a ride from a GTR, and the guy was like, yeah, bro, I'll give you a ride. And then I waited for that fool at the end of the show, and then he was like, oh, I can't give you a ride. Isn't that fucked up?
That's how it fucked up. Why do you say that? Oh, did you have to go somewhere or what?
Huh?
Did you have to go?
Yeah, he said he had to go back to San Jose. So it took me 2, what is this since then? Like about 2 years, man. I even said in the vlog, I was like, I'm gonna get a ride from a GTR one day, and look, it came 2 years later. Oh shit, here he comes. It's Burnt Rubber. Man, look at this boy.
GTR Burnt Rubber's the IG.
Yeah, this is the IG, bro. Come on, get it right, bro. IG, subscribe. What's up, man?
Nice
to meet
My
you.
fucking battery just died.
Battery just died, bro. You're supposed to charge it.
Or have a backup battery.
Oh, this is the Midnight Series collection right here. We got Emerald. Wait, what's a purple gem? Yeah, you know any purple gems?
You?
Damn. man. We got midnight green, midnight purple, and midnight red. All right, ladies and gentlemen, we're here with none other than Burnt Rubber. That's his YouTube channel, and he's got a tuned GTR. He's gonna tell us a little bit more about it because I know nothing about it. So without further ado, take the stage, my friend.
All
and,
right, so
let us know
we
what you got.
Here we got my 2017 Nissan GTR. It is considered full bolt-on, and we're running on E85.
Okay.
So it pushes about 650 horsepower to the wheels. Yeah. It's got a starry headliner and a big fat wing.
Oh man, you got the starry headliner
I
too?
do have a starry headliner.
But-
And we got a new scratch too.
Well, yeah, man, when you're going 180 down the freeway, man, what do you expect?
Yeah.
Sheesh.
All right, so when I say the car's full bolt-on and on E85, just know that that really means the car's 100% stock, okay? Don't forget that.
Stock, guys, man, we gotta stay low key.
Right,
out
I mean,
here,
look
man.
at these tires. These are stock tires.
You do have stock tires. Wait, I don't know anything about GTRs. Are they stock tires?
Well, they're stock wheels, but they're not stock.
Oh, okay, yeah. Triple eights. Hey, are these really the best tires in the game or what? The triple eights?
I actually haven't launched the car with these yet. This tire has maybe like 1,000, maybe 2,000 miles left on it. Down considering I drive like 2,000 miles.
2,000 a month in a GTR?
Yeah.
Dude, get out.
I daily
bro.
drive it. This is my daily drive.
Your daily,
this
dude?
is not
my
a garage
God.
queen. Look at all the dust on it. Like,
Man,
no, dude,
appreciate the
I drive
work.
my car.
Appreciate them, man. He drives his GTR. What? 1,000 miles?
Maybe like 1,500.
That's still a lot.
Yeah.
How much? How many miles did you get it with?
11,000.
And how long have you driven it?
A year and a half.
And how much do you have now?
30,000.
My guy's really burning rubber out here, man.
Yeah.
The G35 finally meets the true Godzilla. That a Nozitic finish, bro. Guys, look, when I tell you that Nozitic finish is mint, it's mint, guys. Look at my reflection, bro. It's so paint-like. Okay, there you go. You can see it better. There you go.
Hello, everybody. My name is
Tell you guys we're trying to hit 30,000 subscribers by the end of the year, bro. Come on, man.
Come on, man. Look, we out here in the heat, man. It's
Man.
like 100 degrees right now.
It is, bro. Show them the weather. What does it show? 84? No, wrong state.
80.
Wrong
That's-
state. 104 degrees.
it's 104
Bro, it's
degrees out
104 out here, bro. Come on, smash that like button.
Not even the like button. They need to subscribe so they can like every time, bro.
Honestly.
I'm
recording the behind the scenes.
Bro, at Clarity, I have a video of you going.
Oh, dude, that was before.
Before the state ref. I think
yeah,
he
the
put it
state
back.
ref.
No, this was like This was like at least 6 months ago.
Yeah, that was
Yeah,
before the
but-
state ref. He recently put it back to.
I had to put BC coils because of the state ref, dude. He's like, we don't allow this aggressive suspension.
He's like, fuck it, I'm just gonna slam it. That's why
Yeah.
you can see like the front right here.
Show
He's
him.
been scraping and shit.
Every time I hit the ground, it bends right here. You see that? What do you think? Huh? he's having nightmares already. He's like, nah, yeah, I'm back, bro. I'm back.
I just don't know if you're like messing with me or what. I'm like,
Nah, we're messing with
dude,
you, man.
How do you even go over a speed bump all the time?
Man, let's see the finger test.
Hey, you're pretty low,
2
man.
fingers, okay.
Oh yeah, that's the way she.
All right, we're about to get a ride in the GTR. So you're going in the back, bro. I don't know how you're fitting in there. Let's show them the back space. Look at the back. I can't even show you the back space because there isn't any. But you can see the back seat touches the front seat.
Hey,
bro.
Since you're short, I'm gonna scoot this all the way up, okay?
Yeah, it sounds fair.
You
Sounds
could
fair.
put your feet across too, and you could.
I'm in the back. Ruben's up in the front, so he's gonna get the reaction for Jeff of his side, and then Ruben will have my reaction pretty much. I'm scared, man. Ruben up in the front. Hey, Ruben.
What's that?
What's up?
Hell yeah.
This is Jeff driving
What's up,
his
We got the boy Cameron in the back.
crazy car right here, man. I'm so hyped.
No, I'm not gonna lie, dude. I'm getting a little nervous.
We're talking about this is it.
This
is it right here.
Oh
This is it.
shit, bro! You
Oh.
forgot your reaction.
Hold on, my reaction's still loading.
Tune in the clutch
He's tuning the clutch.
to handle more power, so it doesn't.
You
slip.
could tune your clutch? What the hell?
Yeah.
Clutch or something? Do you have like a kill mode map or something?
A kill map?
Yeah, or what is yours called?
I mean, I just run that map all the time. It's just like my regular map.
Yeah,
said-
flex.
Easy, I'm breaking.
Oh, there's a car.
Oh my god, he's not following us.
Oh my god.
Oh my god,
Dude.
What else?
What's your gas mileage looking at?
8 to 11.
Ooh, damn.
But I'm on E85, E85 though. I'm on E85.
that makes sense.
Okay.
Right?
That
So
makes
like
sense. That
3
makes
months ago when E85 was like $1.89 a gallon, that was fine. I didn't care, but now it's like $3.29 a gallon.
Oh, damn, that's almost like regular.
Rolling anti-lag, bro. This is gonna be insane. Oh, snap! Yo! Oh my damn, bro. Oh my god, bro. I felt like my ass was shitting, bro, in the back here.
What gear is this?
You guys can see.
Go first?
Oh, get me first. It gave me first.
Gave you first.
First gear. First gear. Oh my god. Damn, this thing just Oh my god. Dude, hey Ruben, how you feeling?
Man, dude, I think my pain pause, bro, right here.
Oh my god. Hey, chill with him.
Oh shit. Oh damn, no warning. Okay. There's a turn.
No warning. No. 1, 2, 3, go.
He wasn't even racing. Oh, there he goes.
Oh shit. Oh damn, bro. Shit. Oh no.
From an Audi dealership.
Oh yes, I've been. Oh my god.
See me trying to get back up and I'm like struck.
I know it's kind of hard to see how fast the car's going in person. So look, I've always wanted to do this. I might get hurt, but I'm gonna stand here, and then whenever you get a chance, go ahead and launch the car, and then you will see how far I get pulled back. You see how far I get pulled back. So just so you guys can see the reaction, like it's not fake, bro. Like I'm really being pulled back. Oh shit. Oh damn, bro. I got concussion stage 3. Oh damn, bro. Take me to Kaiser.
Tunnel.
Take me, tunnel. You already know. Oh shit, that was loud. That was loud. Oh damn. He definitely took advantage of that tunnel, boys. Woo. Breaking necks. Breaking necks.
And cashing checks.
Damn, that's a new one. I have no checks to cash. Breaking necks. What up, yo? Breaking necks. Oh, he broke his neck super bad. Let's make them say hi to the vlog. Sheesh, hey. Here we are back at the station, boys. Jesus. It ain't a successful day without Dutch Bros. I actually used to hate Dutch Bros a lot, but since my boy JC recommended the strawberry watermelon lemonade, this thing is awesome.